Welcome back to my channel, guys. OJ Marketing. If you're new to my channel, I create videos about CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and how to make money online with the use of some AI tools. If you do like such content, make sure you do scroll to my channel because I have a lot of videos for you which you could go on to using to boost your income online. And guys, you could also go on to subscribing to my channel so that I do alert you whenever I release cool and amazing videos that could be useful to you in making extra income online. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a very unique and simple strategy you can actually use to go on to making money with CPA marketing content login trick. And this is going to be an amazing one right here because a lot of people are actually interested in getting what you're actually going to be locking in your content locker. And we're going to be utilizing this platform right here called CPA Grip. I'm also going to walk you through how you could go on to creating a simple landing page for that particular offer using this platform called Google Site. So stick on, watch to the end, learn this strategy and utilize that to make money online. So the first thing which you want to do is to head onto CPA Grip right here, and you want to just simply go on to creating an account. If you don't have one, click on register. You're going to be brought to this page right here where you just simply want to go on to filling out this form and fill out every section having this red asterisk signs. You can skip other sections without this sign right here or this symbol and actually go on to getting your account created. You could read through the terms of services via clicking on this icon or this text right here. You could also go on to checking these boxes out to agree to the terms of service and click on register to go on to registering for an account right now. Now once your account has actually been created, you can go on to clicking on login to get into your account right now and log into your account. So as you can see right now, I'm logged into my account and we're going to be using the URL file locker. And if you want to get to this page right here, once you do log into your account, come onto this section, click on monetization tool. You'll be able to see this drop down list, select URL file locker, and you can be brought to a page such as this. As you can see, I already have some URL file lockers which are active and I'm making use of. But if you want to just simply go to creating one, come right here, click on create new URL file locker, and you want to just simply agree to the terms of service, click on continue, and it's actually going to bring you to a very cool page right now where you could just simply go on to creating a simple URL file locker. So what you want to do right here is to actually come right now and give this particular locker a name. But before we give this locker a name, what we are actually going to be utilizing is a very cool platform where we can actually go on to gaining a lot of Instagram followers right now. So for us to do that, guys, you want to leave this page open because we're going to get right back to this page. You want to just simply head onto this particular platform which is called the Google Site. And if you do head onto Google Site right now or sites.google.com, you want to just simply go on to creating a simple landing page by clicking on this blank icon. It's going to bring you right here to this particular section. What you want to do right now is that you want to just simply delete this entire section right now. So I'm going to go on to add in a text box, and once I do add in a text box, I'm going to type in something like complete 5k Instagram followers in 24 hours. And right now I'm going to go make this bold and also going to increasing the font right here. Maybe I can increase this to 24. I'm going to centralizing this right now. So once this has actually been done, you could see how cool it actually goes on to looking like. So once this is actually done right now, we actually need an image that will actually help us go on to getting a lot of attention. And to get an image like that, you want to just simply head onto platforms like Canva. You could create an image on this platform called Canva, or you could also go onto platforms like Pixabay to go on to getting royalty-free images. So right now, if I just come right here on Pixabay and I do search for Instagram followers, if I search for Instagram followers right now, I will be able to go on to seeing lots and lots of images for Instagram followers right now. So this is actually a very cool image which I can go on using, which is this 5k followers right here. What you want to do is to just simply download this particular image for absolutely free right now. As you can see right here, if you do click on this download icon, the image will be downloaded on your device right here. As you can select the particular quality of image which you actually do want right now. So I'm just going to select this one right here and click on download, and the image will be downloaded on my device right now. Once that image has been downloaded, I'm going to head back to my landing page. So while on my landing page, I'm going to click on this image icon. You want to click on this upload right now, and if you do click on upload, you want to go on to selecting that particular image. This is the image right here being uploaded. I can actually make the image quite looking bolder, and I'm just going to stretch this right here. You can actually do see how it looks like. So if I actually do go to centralizing this image, as you can see right now, the image quite looks centralized, and once that has actually been done right now, the next thing which you want to do is to also go on to add in a text box. And for this text box right here, I'm going to just simply drag that to this section right now. I'm just going to undo that and actually go on to typing in a text such as this right here. So I'm just going to go on to actually increasing the font size to this particular text, or making this bolder. I'm going to come right here, increase the font size to 18. Let me see how this looks like. This looks quite okay. And once this has actually been done right here, as you can see, this looks quite okay. So what I'm going to do right now is that I'm just going to delete this entire section. And this is how the landing page is actually going to look like. So I'm going to go on to adding a simple button right now. For that button right here, I'm going to put in something like click here. So once I do put in something like this which says click here, I'm going to come to this link section, and for this link section you want to paste in the link to that your CPA URL file locker. But since we've not actually created it completely, for this URL file locker, I'm just going to put in something like Instagram followers. Now for the template section, I'm going to go on to selecting the human verification template, and once I do select this particular template right now, as you can see, that has actually been inserted. Next, I'm going to head back to general, and in this locked URL section, you want to paste in a link right now to them getting that Instagram followers. And the link which you're actually going to be pasting is a link to this particular website called addmefast.com. And with this platform, you could go on to getting followers on any social media platform of your choice. As you can see, you could use it to boost your social media presence. So what I'm going to do is to head on to Google and actually search for Add Me Fast Instagram followers. And if you do search for that, you can actually do see the first option right here. All you need to do is to right click on that and copy the link address right there. Head back to your CPA marketing URL file locker, paste that in this section right now. Once that has been pasted, you want to click on save, and this right here, which is your URL file locker, will actually get created right now. So once your URL file locker has been created, you can see the locker right now. I'm going to click on get link. You can see more details about the offer. I'm going to copy the link right now, head back to my landing page, and in my landing page, I'm going to paste in that link right here in this section. I'm going to click on insert right now, and as you can see, the button has been inserted. I could actually come right here and fix in the button in this section. So once I do fixing that button in that section, maybe I could just simply link that particular URL file locker to this image, select the image, click on the link, and actually paste in that link right here. So if I do click on apply, that will also be added right there. I can actually go on to adding that to this particular title section. I'm going to click on link and go on to pasting in that right now. So once somebody do click on any of this section, it's automatically going to take them to my URL file locker for them to complete an offer first before they will be taken to addmefast.com to actually go on to gaining access to a lot of Instagram followers. So what you want to do right now is to go back to your landing page and actually click on publish, and you want to just simply go to selecting a simple web address. So you can see right here, I selected the web address which says social follows, and I'm going to click on publish right now. And once this has actually been published, what you want to do next is to get the link to this particular landing page, copy the link, and go on to promoting that. And in promoting that, we are also going to be using social media platforms out there, but we're going to be using a unique strategy. If I actually head onto social media platform like Facebook, I'm going to head onto this particular group section, and in this group section, you want to just simply search for Instagram followers. So if I just search for Instagram followers right now, you'll be able to see a lot of groups where you can go on to promoting your CPA URL file locker or your landing page right now. Because if you're promoting your landing page, you're also promoting your URL file locker. So what you want to do right now is to actually head onto one of these groups, because the unique strategy which we're actually going to be using right here in today's strategy is that we're not going to go on to posting right here, because if you do post right here, most groups right here on social media or Facebook right here does not allow people to go on to posting with links right here. So we're going to be utilizing a different strategy by actually heading on to such groups right here, and on such groups you want to just simply go into the comment section, and in the comment section all you just simply have to do is to just simply comment without your CPA marketing offer link or your landing page link right here. And if you do comment with your landing page link, and some cases right here, the image to that your landing page will actually be shown. And what you want to do, maybe you can actually go on to add in an image also. So if you do add in an image such as this right now, as you can see, this is how it's actually going to go on to looking like. So once you do go on to clicking on comment right here, as you can see right now, that your particular comment will actually be registered on this particular platform. You can see the comment right here which says 5k followers right now on Instagram. So for anybody that is actually interested in this, we're going to clicking on this and it's going to take them to my landing page right here, which if they are actually interested, they're going to go on to clicking on click here. It's going to take them to my URL file locker. They have to complete an offer and make some cool affiliate commission, and they go on to gaining access to what they actually do want. So you can actually do utilize this strategy right now. Head on to Facebook right here and actually go on to other social media posts right here to go on to publishing that. So you could focus on as many posts right here as you can, go on to publishing that on such posts and go on to getting some cool traffic. And this is just one group. You can actually go back and try this for as many other groups as you can grab hold of and make money with CPA marketing. So if you do have any question, leave that in the comment section below. And guys, that's it for now. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and make sure your notification bell is turned on all. See you all in my next video guys, and goodbye.